What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It is Christine here, Gauge Girl Training, and I am bringing you guys through my prep for the New Year's challenge, showing you guys my food prep, showing you guys my physique update, the check-in, just all the good things. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so it is Monday, January 17th. I did my weigh-in this morning. I have been off since Christmas. I actually got sick on Christmas. I was sick Christmas through, like the first week of January. It was pretty crazy. I did not have COVID, thank God, but it was pretty wild. And then it was my birthday, January 8th, and now I'm getting back on track. So, weighed in this morning at 170.5. Here is my physique update. You guys can see this is what I'm looking like. I feel really good. I am bloated, I am inflamed, but I know I'm ready to dial it in. I have been going on walks where I can. I have been lifting, so I'm just so hyped to get into like a strategic routine for this New Year's challenge. I am going to show you guys what my macros are. I'm going to show you guys what I'm eating, and I'm going to show you guys a couple simple meals that I'm going to be making for this week. So let's get into it. But first, I thought I was going to say coffee. No, but first, water. I have been making it a goal to drink some water before I get into coffee, because I can drink coffee like the best of them. I am trying to dial back my coffee a touch, but I'm trying to get a good amount of water, and I'm trying to get 3 to 4 liters a day. One gallon is 3.74, so drink some water before I get into my coffee. So let's make sure that actually happens. Okay, now we can have some coffee. All right, guys, making stuff here on my Keurig. What I've been using. So it's a Trader Joe's medium roast here on the Keurig. I do drink my coffee black. My vegan probiotic. And yes, there's an F ton of champagne in my fridge from my birthday. So this is my vegan probiotic. I'm taking this in the morning. I'm also taking my Indole 3-carbinol. I just brewed myself some black coffee. I am going to add, excuse me, I dropped my collagen on the floor. I'm going to be adding the salted caramel collagen to my coffee here. So I just added a scoop of the collagen. Collagen is really good for your hair, your skin, your nails, and it gives me over 22 grams of protein per serving. You need a hand mixer. These are for sale on gaugegirltraining.com. Doing that, and like I said, I drink the coffee black, and it is a little strong for me. So I take it after I add the collagen, and I cut it with hot water because I don't like it super strong. So yes, this is my Indole 3-carbinol. I'm going to be taking this. I'm also going to be taking my vegan probiotic. These are supplements I take regularly. These are part of my Hormone Reset supplement bundle, which is on gaugelife.com. But I am taking it for general health just because I really am at the age, I just turned 40, where I really want to make sure that hormone imbalances don't contribute to slowing down my fat loss. So this makes sure that doesn't happen. And as vegan probiotic, just to get my gut health dialed in, because like I said, I have been eating a lot of BS, and I need my stomach to just settle down. All right, so I'm gonna be making breakfast, and breakfast is the one meal that I really am fine with making every day. I don't really like to meal prep breakfast because I like a fresh breakfast. I found this chicken sausage at Trader Joe's, and I really like the macros because for 2 links, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, I get 11 protein, 2 fat, 70 calories, which is great. So I'm going to be making this. I'm going to be air frying some potatoes, and I'm going to be weighing these out here on my scale. I'm going to weigh them in the raw form. I'm going to be doing a little bit of jalapeno with them, and I probably might do a little bit of egg on the side. So I'm going to make this meal up right now. so this is my breakfast. I have an ounce of leafy greens here, some kale. I put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar over it. I air fried the potatoes as I showed you guys, and there's some jalapeno in there. I have 1 whole egg, 4 pieces of the chicken sausage. I cut it up and kind of crumbled it a little bit with the chili lime seasoning. But this is going to be my first meal. It's super nourishing. You can season it with a little bit of sea salt and black pepper, or like, you know, if you put spices, you could put chives, you could do onion, garlic. I kept mine pretty simple, and the main seasoning was the chili lime from Trader Joe's. So I'm going to track this in my macros, as you can see right here. All right, so we're getting into a really simple meal prep here. I'm using a Chipotle pepper adobo sauce, and this is one of my favorite things to do. I'm putting the whole jar in the food processor. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of lime juice, about a cup of fresh cilantro here, and I'm just gonna blend this stuff up to make it more of a puree. So as you can see, I'm taking 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I lightly sprayed my skillet here with olive oil, and I am spooning my Chipotle lime puree over the chicken. I have the cayenne pepper here. You can add any seasonings that you like, a little bit of black pepper, but this big batch is something that I'm going to be eating off of for the next day or 2. It is 2 pounds of chicken, a little bit of Himalayan sea salt, and you can tweak the rest of the seasonings to your liking. But please note that I took the chicken and I cut it into 1-inch pieces. Now I'm boiling some pasta here, sauteing some garlic, light spray of olive oil. I have some zucchini here, some spinach. So once I have that bulk chicken, I'm going to stir fry it with these veggies and show you guys a spin-off meal. So spin-off meals are huge when it comes to meal planning. So you literally make 1 batch and you spin it off. This is my red lentil barilla pasta. That's only 2 ounces, you guys. Look at how delicious. All right, there we have it. This is the Chipotle chicken red lentil pasta. All right, you guys, so I'm showing you another meal that I made from the same exact Chipotle chicken. This is a low-carb tortilla wrap. I have about 0.75 avocado, a cup of spinach, close to 4 ounces of the chicken. I topped it with a little bit of banana peppers, but I'm just going to show you that you can meal prep one big thing and do it many ways, but I did that Chipotle pasta. Now I have this really nice wrap that I'm going to eat as such. You can use smaller wraps and do more than one, but this is how I'm going to enjoy it. All right, guys, another day, another meal. Same batch of my Chipotle chicken. This time it is sauteed with some zucchini, some spinach, some brown rice, but just an idea to show you that you can take one protein source and turn it into several meals. All right, guys, so it's taken me so long to put this video together, but I am finishing my last macros for the day, wrapping it up with a Gauge Life smoothie over here. So much stuff going on, you guys. I did want you guys to know that if you do order supplements, there is going to be a very special promotion that you're gonna find inside of your package. So if you do order any of the Gauge Life, there's gonna be a special postcard for my book regarding the pre-order. There's gonna be things on here to get you a special gift and an exclusive invite to something. So check inside your packages if you're ordering Gauge Life. And one last thing, you guys, I hope this video was helpful, showing you just some practical things and whatnot regarding food prep, regarding the challenges. But one last thing, I'm getting ready to go to bed, and I've been testing out this new product called Sleepy Bedtime Bestie by Soul CBD, and you guys know I'm affiliate with them. You guys can save on their products on soulcbd.com with code GaugeGirl, right? And I've been having a hard time sleeping lately. I know, Kashi. He's outside. It's so cold out. Okay, he scurried in. All right, so I digress, you guys. This stuff is amazing. It helps you go to bed. It's a gummy. It's got hemp and it's got melatonin. I've been taking it for the last week, and it's legit. It's legit. I was taking 1. I upped my dose to 3. I don't feel groggy. It just puts me right to bed. Like, if your mind's racing, code GaugeGirl. You guys know I don't recommend things frivolously to you guys. So if I say something, like, I actually mean it. So if you struggle sleeping, check it out, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Comment below other things you want to see in these videos. Let me know. I'm happy to show you guys all kinds of behind the scenes, but just comment. Let me know what you want to see. Do you want to see workouts? Do you want to see groceries? Do you want to see more recipes? Do you want to see stuff with the supplements? Like, let me know. Take care, guys. Peace.